Morning, folks. We just got Stewie back from the body shop. Pretty stoked about it. We painted the truck cab Toyota Voodoo blue. We did a black bed liner on the roof. We painted the bumper magnetic gray. That's another Toyota color. We did the wheels magnetic gray as well. And then the chassis we just did in a gloss black. We were thinking a hot rod black, but the gloss is going to be better for us. Anyway, wanted to give you a quick update. We're going to dive into it, start getting the lights put back on it, mirrors, grill, wipers, all that stuff associated with that. Anyway, do it again. There you go. I'm going to give you a little update on Stewie. Been working on the box, working on the cab. We're getting ready to put the door panels in. Nathan got this door cut in today. Be pretty cool. I am gonna paint that frame before we mount it. Gonna work on the windows tomorrow. Look at this thing. Look how thick that is. That's crazy. Got that. And then we got a slow start on the Habitat, but we've been working on the truck, the cabin chassis, working on the interior. We got Jess over here cleaning the windows. What you doing, babe?
Just cleaning the overspray off the windows.
Yeah, that's gonna be
just a project.
You need some glass cleaner?
Yeah, I probably do.
We got the dash painted. Got some little stainless fasteners. Look a little better. I'm gonna dress it up some more. We covered that in cloth or vinyl, just like the door panels. Got all this painted around the top. Door jambs are painted. Hey, babe. We wanted that blue. It looks much better than the green. We got all this done. Blacked out. I'm gonna start working on the headliner and get these trim panels back in. We got a new steering wheel too. Get that put in. All right, guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Talk to you soon. Say bye.